Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to create a new document from our Excel sheet using Hyperlink. This is my Excel sheet, and to work with the Hyperlink, first you need to open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box so that you can open using Control K, or else you can just right click on this cell and click on this link command. So it will open this Insert Hyperlink dialog box. So here we are going to create a new document. So here in this link to the third option is create new document, and here you need to specify the name of the new document. Let's create a Word file, that is mydoc.docx, and here you need to specify the full path of the file. Click on this button, and here you need to navigate to the path where you want to create the document. Click OK, and here it shows the full path of the file which you are going to create. Here you can see the text to display. So let's provide a text here. Let me remove this path and let it will just mydoc.docx. If you want to provide a screen tip, that you can provide here. Let me write mydoc and click on OK. And next here it has two options under when to edit. So the first one is edit new document later, and the second one is edit the new document now. So the first one is to create the new document and update it or write it later. So let's click on this and click on OK. And this hyperlink is created here. If you click here, it will ask, do you want to continue? Yes. And it will open this document. And now you can update your document. Let me give a header, my document version 1. Click on save and now close it. And here you can see the screen tip, that is my doc here. And if you go to the particular folder, this is the folder where it is created. So this is your document. Let's close it and go to our Excel sheet. Similarly, let's create another one. Here, create new document. Let me give the name mydoc2.docx. Let's change the path. This is the folder where we want to create. Click on OK and remove this part from this text to display. And here, when to edit, now we'll select this second option, that is edit new document now. So if you click on OK, right now it will open this document and we can update this document now itself. Let's give a header, my document version 2. Save it and now close it. And if you click here, click on yes, and it will open this document. You can close it. And now if you go to this folder, you can see these two documents are present here. So that is how you can create new documents from your Excel sheet using Hyperlink. So while working with your Excel sheet, if you realize that you need to create a new document that you can do from your Excel sheet using Hyperlink, thank you so much for watching, and that's all for this video.